This Berkshire Hathaway HomeServices Florida Realty property video is presented by Jeffrey Siegel. This beautiful, well-maintained, Jeffrey Wilde built 4-bedroom 3-bath home is located in Haile Plantation's quiet, fashionable, cottage neighborhood of Chickasaw Way. The 3-way split floor plan provides a sense of privacy for each space and offers the flexibility of endless possibilities for all living styles. Many upgrades include plantation blinds, new heat pump HVAC and hot water heater, insulated garage doors, LED lighting and a Stage 2 EV charger. Additional upgrades include a modern natural gas fireplace, new Energy Star skylights, ceiling and bathroom fans and 10 smoke/CO2 detectors. Best of all is the huge array of solar panels and Tesla storage batteries that have provided enough energy for a surplus payment from GRU each of the last 3 years. As you enter the home, there is a large dining room, and the foyer brings you into the great room that overlooks the open kitchen that features granite counters, beautiful wood cabinets, wine cooler and large pantry. The great room French doors lead into the multi-purpose den/study/sunroom that connects to the inviting spacious screen Lanai, the perfect place to enjoy your morning coffee and afternoon cocktails as you take in the beautiful views of your garden, wooded common area and the golf course beyond. The owner's suite features a deep walk-in closet, tray ceiling, an ensuite bathroom with a garden tub, a walk-in shower, dual vanities and a separate water closet. The master also has connecting French doors to both the Lanai and the den/study/sunroom. The first floor is completed with 2 additional bedrooms, a full bath and laundry room with wash tub. The stairs lead to another ensuite bedroom that features a walk-in closet and full bathroom. The attached garage has a 3rd bay or your golf cart and/or other toys. Haile Plantation features miles of scenic trails waiting to be enjoyed by nature and walking enthusiasts, allowing you to appreciate the beauty of the subdivision. Haile's charming village center and the Publix Market Square shopping area have many restaurants, shops and professional offices that provide easy convenient living. Located nearby are UF/Shands, HCA, Florida healthcare facilities and Celebration Pointe. The private Hawkstone Golf and Country Club located within the community offers its members a championship golf course, swimming, a fitness center and tennis and pickleball courts. The Chickasaw Way Association maintains the front yard and wood picket fence. For more information, review the details below or contact Jeffrey Siegel at 352-538-7937.